relate with these problems? These are just some of the challenges we face in our businesses. All these involve one vital component: knowledge. Moonbake Incorporated is a manufacturer and distributor of native Filipino biscuits, pastries, and cookies since 1991. Moonbake has committed to implement knowledge management, or KM, through the help of the Asian Productivity Organization, or APO, an intergovernmental organization that promotes productivity improvement to accelerate economic growth in member countries through mutual cooperation, and the Development Academy of the Philippines, or DAP, a government organization designated as the National Productivity Organization for the Philippines. Following APO's knowledge management framework, Moonbake started out on a KM journey to address challenges such as investing in new products without market research, work duplication, increasing operational expenses, poor crisis management systems, critical people leaving the company, and the absence of customer satisfaction surveys or lack of basis to improve products. APO defines knowledge management as an integrated approach of creating, sharing, and applying knowledge to enhance organizational productivity, profitability, and growth. Mission and vision are at the center of the framework. These have provided strategic directions for Moonbake. The company's KM strategies and programs are aligned to its strategic objectives. There are 3 levels in the framework: accelerators, knowledge process, and outcomes. KM has gained ground at Moonbake because of leadership. Mr. Jun Manrique, president of Moonbake, actively supported the project and provided available resources of the company to implement KM. Technology. Moonbake used effective tools and techniques to identify, create, store, share, and apply knowledge. People. The employees showed willingness to learn and share knowledge. Processes. Systematic processes have helped improve productivity, profitability, quality, and growth of the company. Knowledge development and conversion at Moonbake went through 5 stages. First, identify. Think about what you want to achieve and the knowledge needed to make it happen. Second, create. Convert knowledge or create new knowledge by holding lessons learned meetings or benchmarking projects. Third, store. Collect and preserve organizational knowledge. Fourth, share. Distribute knowledge to the right people, at the right place, at the right time, with the right quality. And fifth, apply. Use and reuse knowledge. Knowledge adds value when used to improve products and services. Under the guidance of APO technical expert, Mr. Prabha Nair, and follow through by the DAP Center for Knowledge Management, Moonbake identified and implemented 4 KM programs to address their knowledge needs in market, customer, process, and people. 1. Market research. 2. Enhancement of customer service and relationship. 3. Development of standards operating procedures in line with hazard analysis and critical control points. 4. Development of competency profiles of employees and competency-based training.
We were already in the process of realigning our directions to strengthen our position in the market. KM helped us see what knowledge was critical to our business by enabling us to simplify and standardize our reporting system, especially for sales. Improve relationships and personalized services with our key customers by enabling us to develop a customer database and, most of all, increase profits. Now, we are able to better understand our market. KM enabled us to study our market, which resulted in the successful launch of our Choco Dots products. Choco Dots now account for 20% of our increase in sales. The increase in production also contributed a lot to raising employee morale because people were productively employed.
KM improved our production area. For example, the work instructions posted in our production area help us to have less discrepancies and fewer mistakes. While we also have your ongoing board in which it has batch code, best before code, and the target production output for the specific shift, which help us to monitor our performance and to motivate to reach our production target. Lastly, we also have Feed Your Mind board wherein anyone can post their thoughts for the specific topic for the month, which provided us updates for the activities in which the employees can participate and also the employees awards.
When we applied KM in our company, quality and productivity were the topmost among our objectives. And one of the KM programs that we have implemented was the capture and codification of the tacit knowledge of our employees on work processes and incorporating them or organizing them in SOPs or standard operating procedures, process flowcharts, and work instructions. Then we disseminated this to our employees by posting work instructions in the production area. The company benefited from the improvements on work processes. Another benefit gained from KM was the increase in awareness of our people on what is expected of them and the things they need to meet those expectations. When we identified our knowledge gaps, we realized that we needed to build on our staff competencies. So we shift to competency-based human resources management and acquired knowledge on how to implement them. So we attended training on competency-based human resources and pay system, competency-based training and recruitment and performance management. Last but not the least of the benefits we gained was the strengthening of knowledge sharing culture in the company. So we conducted regular knowledge sharing and knowledge generating activities like organizing a community of practice or COP and conducting after-action reviews to identify lessons learned and best practices. These activities allowed our employees to learn and share in order that they may improve their knowledge and skills.
Ten months into the KM demo project, Moonbake experienced how knowledge management can make a difference in their organization. To date, Moonbake Incorporated is already reaping the benefits of knowledge management. Experience the difference knowledge management can make in your organization. Improve your productivity. Enhance the quality of your products and services. Increase profitability and growth. Leverage on knowledge and see the difference.